I'm not. Oh my goodness. This is so scary. Oh, it's gonna fall. 100%. There's no way it can take my butt. Once I get my butt on there, it's gone. Okay, currently it is 8:15 p.m. and we have all of the materials that we're going to need. We have all the tape. I think we have 3 different colors. There's some black, the one big white one, and then we have some blue right here. Should be enough. Hopefully it's enough, but you guys are gonna have to see what it is. Here we go. Okay, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but we're going to be using the big tape first. I want to be able to get it across from right here, right here, all the way over there. I want to see how that works. Oh boy. That's not gonna work. Good stuff. Now we just bring it over here and boom. All right. First strip is done. There we go. We have our first little pieces done. 2 pieces took a long time to finish. This one has to be like almost perfect just because yeah, it's got to be like okay, it's perfect right there. But I don't know about right here. Let's see if I can like connect it or something. I think we're gonna have to blow up a floaty and see what yeah, we're gonna have to use a floaty to connect the pieces. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the easiest bet. So this should be pretty steady, but just in case we have to take all the important stuff off. Just for a second. Hey, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Do not worry. Let's just hope that this thing can hold my weight. Oh, I'm already wet. Great. It has literally been 10 seconds, not even, and I'm already wet. Oh, I'm wet again. Okay, I think we're gonna get in some shorts. Hang on. I'll figure it out. If I have to get wet, then I'm gonna get wet. I am going in the pool. Guaranteed. Okay, we're just gonna.
Can I go get a jacket on or something?
Yeah, sure.
Jacket right here.
No. It got stuck together already. No. Oh, my socks are wet. Ew. Thing can support me. Oh.
Is it cold? Aren't you freezing?
No, it's not that cold.
Huh?
What's up, Iz? How you doing?
It's not that cold?
Okay, test number 2. I don't know. Hang on. Maybe if we just. I don't know. Which just fell. I'm not. Oh my goodness. This is so scary. Oh, it's gonna fall. 100%. There's no way it can take my butt. Once I get my butt on there, it's gone. It's so scary. Oh. Okay, we're still. I think it's touching the water though. So I think I'm gonna get my butt wet. Okay, hold up.
Not even close to the water.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, let go.
Hang on.
Okay, let go.
A little bit more.
Big Archo.
Am I gonna fall?
I don't think so.
Okay, I can't scoot myself any further. Okay, hold up. Oh. Okay, we gotta do that one more time. But this time with our hands. I'm totally touching the water. What are you talking about? It's so cold. Yep, my back's wet.
Now let me walk in it.
Okay, hold up. We gotta.
Are you gonna walk on it?
Okay, scoot myself.
You can pull the door.
Come get Dad. Go get Dad.
Dad,
Grace.
come watch.
It's not focusing.
Dad! Grace, go get Dad.
Should I go stop it?
No! Dad didn't get to see it! Dad!
You ruined it. Now I can't walk on it.
Alright, Grace, stop recording. It's really late right now. I think it's like 10:30. I don't know. It's super late. Super late for me. Oh, you guys can't even see. Hold up, gotta get a light. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have a light. So there's my shoes. Alright, so those are my clothes from when I fell in. This is the aftermath. Yeah, it broke. It didn't work. I didn't have enough tape. I think if I had more tape and if it was up higher, probably should have done it up higher. But we have the 10 rolls of tape, which is apparently not enough. So let's just clean it up. I would do a snapping noise, but I don't have any in my hands, so just hang on, let me do that again. Just whoop, boop. Okay, I think we are 2 hours and 2 hours and 40 minutes in, 31 miles in. I'm really tired. Yeah, let's finish it.